So ayan guys, it's done. Took me 10 minutes only because I feel hungry now. But much better if you cook longer so that the gizzard will become soft. So let's eat. Yan guys, nandito na naman tayo. Magluluto tayo ng adobo. Filipino food. So, this is gizzard. As you can see. This is my food for dinner. And this is the liver. And this one is ginger, garlic, and then onion. And then I have magic syrup. And then I have black pepper, and then I have soy sauce. Guys, any kind of soy sauce you can use it. So that's the only thing I have. My oil is used already because I fried chicken, so I'll just reuse again. And then a little bit hot, we need to put the ginger. Okay. And then after that, the onion. Okay. And then ginger. So let's mix. Ayan, medyo may amoy na siya guys. Nangangamoy na ang bango. Smells good now. And now we need to put the gizzard. Put the gizzard. And then mix. We just mix, and then later we're gonna add the liver. Because I want it to become really like that. Until there's no water underneath. There we go. Ayan guys, lagay na natin. May konti-konti pa siyang water, but lalagay ko na. Anyway, this one is a chicken, gizzard, and liver, guys. So, okay. We'll leave it there for a while and drain it, and we add the soy sauce. That's how I cook. So now I'm gonna add the pepper, then magic syrup. This magic syrup. I'm gonna put it all, guys. Yan guys, it's boiling, but I want to add to be spicy. I want to add chili. Yeah. So yan guys, kumukulo-kulo na siya. Then let's add konti na lang kasi yung water niya. Can see. Konti na lang kanyang water. So maybe let's add the soy sauce. So my soy sauce is Kikkoman. I'll just add a little bit. Okay. So yan, maybe I think it's enough. Tansyahin nyo na lang guys. I'm not the kind of person that you're using there. So ayan, kumukulo na siya. And then put on the lid. We boil for maybe 20 minutes. Okay? In low fire. Ayan guys, kumukulo-kulo na siya. Maybe I'm thinking to add vinegar, and here's the vinegar. Going to add vinegar. That's enough. Ayan guys, that's why I add the vinegar, because I want to remove some smell. I don't know, that's what they told me. Then we add sugar, just 1 spoon of sugar. A bit sour and a bit sweet, and it's spicy. Oh my god. So we cook more because I want the gizzard to become soft. Slow fire only guys, para hindi siya masunog. So ayan guys, it's done. Took me 10 minutes only because I feel hungry now. But much better if you cook longer so that the gizzard will become soft. So let's eat. So guys, this is my spicy adobo gizzard and liver. Ayan. So looks yummy guys. There, I have kimchi here. So there. Ayan guys. Hope you like it guys. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like and share. Goodbye. See you next time. Thank you for watching.